video, we are gonna make a fluffy slime using only 2 ingredients. It is super easy to make and can be made under 60 seconds. So let's get started.
First we need a bowl to mix the slime. So our first ingredient is white glue. You can find it easily on the stationery shop. And our second ingredient is shaving cream. It is also easily available. So let's get started. First we need some glue. Now we need to add some shaving cream. Now we will start mixing it. Now our slime has started to take a shape. Now we need to play with it and stretch it. Now we need to add some water in it. Now we will mix the slime with water for some time. Here I am keeping the slime for 5 minutes. Now you can see our slime has become stretchable. So our slime is ready to play. So if you found this video helpful, please like our video, and to watch more of our videos, please subscribe our channel Art of Craft. Thank you for watching and be creative.